We're going to take a look at how to replace the battery on this Porsche key fob. What you'll need to do is first you'll need to release the metal key, and to do that you'll flip over the key fob, and then back here you'll have the metal key and it has a little tab that you release that, right? So you slide that out, and then once you slide out the metal key you can reinsert it, but partially reinsert it back in here, and then just pull up away from the key fob. And see that just pops up just like that, and then you have the battery right inside. You can see the battery there. Battery just comes right out. Okay, so you take the battery, slide it out. You gotta be careful. You have contacts right here, and then these are contacts as well, so you don't want to bend those. So take the new battery and then slide it towards these two contacts first. Slide it like so. Alright, and then you take the back cover and then you reinsert it. You push it forward first, and then on the back here you just press it until that locks in place, and then you just slide the metal key back in, and that's it. You're done.